We're gonna own the whole block of man.
Good work, man.
Thanks, bro. Thanks.
It's like,
Man, Rod.
like real estate in the club, man.
She needs to get turned up. The prime example I like to give for the concept of this song is like go back to them days you was in high school and popularity is everything. It was always that chick that was cute. She wasn't popular though. She ain't had no type of swag. She ain't dressed as, you know, the nice type of clothes as the popular chicks did, and everybody would sleep on her, man. So this song is pretty much saying that her man can't turn her up, and by turning her up, man, turn up her confidence, turn up her swag, make her walk different. You know what I'm saying? So that's the kind of concept that we running with. But it's alright, just like a shirt don't make the man make the shirt. So just like we turn up a fit, put some rims on the car, we turning the car up. So this a whole new saying, man. Y'all run with it. Turn that shit up. We ready. Game time. Alright. I'm ready.
You should pop up. My bad.